Hi guys, so I just woke up and today I'm gonna set up my desk right here, and let's just hope that I can do that today itself. Yeah, let's get back to it, and I'm gonna take you through all the process of how I set up my desk, and also I'm gonna link all the things which I'm using. All mostly every single pieces are from Amazon. If not, then they're from local vendors, which I can definitely not link. But if I can mention the name of those vendors, I'll do that for people who live in Indore. Maybe it's helpful. Hi guys, so I am done with everything, I guess. Like, I'm done with my lunch. I'm done like taking a shower, and I have had a comfortable fit. And now I'm gonna start doing my desk setup, and let's see how it goes. I just hope it goes very well. Fingers crossed. So our tabletop is done. It's all marble now, and we are thinking of either doing something white here or we'll just keep it this way. Let's just see what happens. I'm going to go and take a water break because it's been 30 minutes that we have been doing that tabletop. I guess it's looking nice this way only, or either we'll put a white wallpaper. So let's see what we do. Bye. इसको लगाइए तो ज़्यादा अच्छा। देखो कैसा आ रहा है वीडियो। I guess I'm done for the day. I am done with setting up the desk. थोड़ी बहुत अब बचा हुआ काम we'll do tomorrow because right now I have to be with my best friend. So I gotta go. So bye. See you tomorrow. With this area, so I have stack of my diaries which I require on daily basis. One is my to-do list diary, So this is my to-do list diary in which I actually write my daily task. If you guys want, I can open it and show you guys. So this is my to-do list diary where I write everything. Then this is my daily diary for extra stuff. And this is my office diary where I write everything for my office. And this is a diary which I need to like soften my mood. It's a sketch diary where I doodle. That's it. So these are the stack of diaries which I require. Then I have my specs. Then the sanitizer, which is very necessary. And this is a cup. Like it has all of my pictures and everything. So I like to have some flowers here. Then this is my stand. These both pins were given by my best friend Archie. And this is also a birthday gift from one of my friend. And it's a calendar. It's like my calendar of my pictures. So I like to keep this page all over because it makes me motivate that it's my day. So yeah, you can see it has all of my pictures. This is Archie though. And yeah. Oh, you guys can follow me on Instagram if you guys want. I can share my handle. It's Siddhanshi Porwat. You can just search it. Like my work desk where I actually connect my laptop to and I work. So here I also edit my videos and I work like my office stuff. And this is an amazing time clock which really helps me out. And this is the connector where my light LED is connected with. And all the wires go down in the back. And I wish I could show you the view in the morning from this particular window. We can see a lot of greenery, so it's really refreshing. I will add some of the videos if possible. Yeah, and this is the side where I sleep. This is my bed. And in my first drawer, I actually keep a lot of random stuff like my scrunchies, my diaries, my bookmarks, and my Polaroids with my friends and everything else like that. And then in the down one I have my laptop and everything else. This is not a frame, so let's leave it that. So yeah, this is all for my desk setup. And I hope you guys enjoy my desk setup video. It's a very minimal desk setup. You don't require a lot of stuff. You just require your gifts and things which make you alive. So I have put everything around my desk which is something related to my friends or makes me feel good or just energizes me to work. That's all which I have. I just wanted to have a clean desk because I don't like a lot of stuff around my desk while I'm working. I'm a messy girl. I'm not saying I'm very clean and very put together girl. No, I'm not. I'm a very messy girl. But again, there are times when you don't need a lot of things around you because you want to focus on one thing. So I just like to keep my desk very clean. I'm just trying to be a put together girl. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be a part of my family, and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to comment down below if you like this video or not, and if you don't, what kind of videos do you enjoy. And yeah, that's it from my side. I love you. Thank you. Bye.